The unknown is represented by the variable x, and it's found on both sides of the equation. But on the left-hand side, it's even more clear that it is included in a grouping symbol. To solve for the value of unknown with the grouping symbol, we need to start with the distributive property of whatever constants, terms, or coefficients outside the grouping symbol. Let me copy here the same. We have here 2 times x minus 3 is equal to x plus 1. Now, of course, you could divide both sides by 2 here, but you will be having a fractional coefficient for your x. So again, let's start with distributive property. Distribute. You will have here 2x minus 6 is equal to x plus 1. Okay? Now from here, we are going to do the same operations that we did before. Let's try to pick the left-hand side for our variable x. Hence, we will remove here 6 by adding 6 here. Add 6 on the other side as well. You will have here 2x, because that becomes 0. You will have equal to the other side, x. 1 plus 6 is 7. Then, we are going to remove this variable here because you would like the left-hand side to only contain the variable. So minus x, so that it will be 0, but do the same thing on the other side as well. So you will have 2x minus x is equal to 7. This is the value of the unknown. But we are going to check this as well. Again, as a practice, we are going to have the checking so that we could have a better way of understanding how this is correct. Now, in checking, you might get tempted in using this equation here because some of us don't like grouping symbols. Like, say for example, this is what you're going to substitute, 7 here and 7 there. Okay, but I'm suggesting, and it's very important to know, that when we check, we always use the original equation. Why? Now look at our second equation, 2x minus 6 and x plus 1. What if, just what if there are some errors in your distributive property here? Say for example, a common mistake, instead of multiplying 2 and 3, you subtracted it and you will have minus 1. Whatever value of the unknown here, if you're going to substitute on that said incorrect equation, it will still get correct. However, there are some mistakes already from step 1 to step 2. So to verify whether there are errors and whether our answer is correct or not, we are going to use the original equation. So we will be substituting 7 here on our grouping symbol, 7 minus 3. On the other side, you will have 7 plus 1. Again, question mark. And you will have here 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. The other side is 8. Now, even if it's too obvious, again, suggestion, put a question mark because we are on the verification process. Now, 2 times 4 is 8. The other side is also 8. At this time, we have now verified that the value of x being 7 is the correct value of the unknown, which satisfies the equation involving a grouping symbol. Join us to the next adventure involving the unknown.